Welcome to the part 2 of the Gazebo project series. Last year, our backyard looked like this. We built this deck and added benches and tables. Then we installed a large flower planter, and in part 2 of this video, I'll show you how to add a stylish wooden privacy wall on top of the existing planter to enhance both the privacy and the design of your gazebo. And in the next parts of the Gazebo series, we'll continue the transformation by building a large bench connected to the deck, adding support posts, and installing additional privacy walls, all leading up to a fully functional and beautiful gazebo. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step through building a sturdy and stylish wooden privacy wall. You'll learn how to measure and cut the wood, install the board securely for a seamless look. And the materials you'll need are a 1x6x8 pressure treated wood, and the other supplies we'll be using will be nails and a 1-inch deck screws and a cut and seal and cut wood stain. The other tools we'll be using will continue with nail gun, miter saw, drills. This project will enhance your outdoor space with both comfortable and style, making your deck feel more private and inviting. Don't forget to enjoy this DIY privacy wall project. Now, let's get started. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps out the channel a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future DIY projects. For more exciting videos, please stay tuned. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'll love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.